Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy M31LE, and today you might notice something that's a little bit different, man. You know, I haven't really revealed this yet, but you know, I got the bike over here looking like it's got a 12th Prestige on the fairings, man. You know, I got so many highway kills with this bad MFer, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I had to do it. Had to do the carbon fairings. We'll go over that in another video. But today, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to get the auto headlights for your 2023 BMW S1000RR. So go ahead and hit that like button for me, share this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. Let's get started.
Get out the way, you got a watch, you got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want bigger rocks. I got plans, I got talk. I just real cheap, but it's really go house. I'm trying to get these ends.
Alright, so I took the liberty of just starting the bike. I redid all the coding, so again, we're gonna start from completely scratch. So nobody should have an issue of like not knowing exactly what's going on, because like I said, I'm starting from complete scratch as if I'm you on your stock bike doing it for the first time. So you can hear the bike running because I just want to show you guys that the auto headlights are not like working, as in like the lights are just on. So I'm going to show you guys that here right now. So again, we're gonna cut to just the computer, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do this from complete scratch. All right, so go in your Bimmer tool, go ahead and hit connect to your bike. Let that load up. Now what you're gonna be looking for is the equipment. Now if you already have this done, like if you bought a used bike and it has this already done, it'll say 202 right here. But in the event that you don't, go ahead and go to FA editor. You can either type in 202 or daytime running lights. It's right here. Go ahead and enter that. Like I said, you can do 202 or daytime running lights. That's going to be number 202. Go ahead and hit save. Continue with writing yes. Written successfully. Would you like to calculate what control unit should be recorded? Hit yes. It's going to say combi and BCO. Go ahead and code that. Let it write the data. What your bike's going to do is it's going to turn off the screen. If you followed one of my last videos, your M screen should still be on there. If it's not, just go ahead and redo it. Once your coding is complete, you hit OK. And that's it. So go back, go ahead and look to see if it's been added. So 202 daytime driving lights should be on there now. And that's it, guys. That's really it. So you can go ahead and hit log out, and then go ahead and turn your bike on. And once you turn your bike on, this is what you should see. So I'll turn the bike on in a second. This is how your bike should look when it's off. That's not an indication that it's working. But what you should see in the combi is this A right here. So that's the automatic headlights. And then I believe there's also an option if you go to settings. I think it's vehicle settings, lights. So auto daytime lights should now be a new setting. If you don't have this coding complete, that won't be there. So you can turn on your bike. That's how you do the coding for the auto daytime running lights for the BMW S1000RR. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you like today's video, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel. That way, whenever I drop any new content, you'll be the first to know. If you have any comments, drop them down below. Remember, I'm here for you guys. So anything you want to see, let me know and I'll make the video for you. Thanks for tuning in.